Hi everyone, my name is Michael Dellinger and I'm so glad that you were able to join me on our journey to the Bahamas. Let me begin by asking you this question. When you think of the Bahamas, what comes to mind? For many of you, the Bahamas is just a place to go have fun and vacation. And you're absolutely right. But if you ever get a chance to go, you'll see that the Bahamas is more than just a tourist destination. It's a home to thousands of people, and actually, the Bahamas is about 9 times smaller than North Carolina. It supports roughly about 400,000 people. That's kind of crazy considering how small the place is. My mom being a travel agent, I've had many opportunities to experience this wonderful place and to visit it firsthand. Now today, I would like to share with you a few things of what I saw. Let's hop into our first topic, which is wildlife. If you ever get a chance to go to the Bahamas, you'll more than likely see a couple horses, bears, donkeys, hudia, which is like a small beaver, raccoons, parrots, and iguanas. Heading down to the water, you'll see turtles, stingrays, sharks, a wide variety of tropical fish, and you might even see a couple dolphins. Heading more towards town, we can take a look at their cultures. Likewise, to us Americans, how we celebrate our freedom on Independence Day, the Bahamians celebrate their freedom on January 1st with a festival called Junkanoo. What does Junkanoo look like, you may ask? Well, according to the Government of the Bahamas website, under the Culture tab within the Citizens and Residents section of the government site, you'll be able to find this well-said statement. Junkanoo, a Bahamian national festival, is a kaleidoscope of colors and sounds. The rhythmic sounds of the cowbells, goatskin drums, and whistles, accompanied by an array of brass instruments, create a sweet musical beat that will move you, while brilliantly colored costumes capture your eye and brings you pure delight. Now, another huge part of the Bahamian culture are souvenirs. Tourism makes up about 51% of the country's income, and just about every person that goes to the Bahamas will more than likely buy a souvenir. Now, a few souvenirs you might run into are straw goods, jams and jellies, Junkanoo art, coconut sculptures, jewelry, and my personal favorite are wooden sculptures. Now, lastly, I would like just to admire the immense beauties of the Bahamas geological features. According to the Bahamas Guides website, which was last updated in 2020, there are approximately 700 islands and nearly 2,500 small inlets and cays. And actually, only 30 of these islands are inhabited. That's kind of crazy. But amongst these islands are the most beautiful white beaches you will ever see in your life. When I went, they were so beautiful, they were almost kind of blinding, honestly. And actually, not too many people know this, but the Bahamas have a very unique beach. And by unique, I mean they're pink. And the pink color is actually caused by coral and shells getting ground up by oysters and then getting mixed into the sand. It's actually really cool, and only a few other beaches in the world have this. And surrounding these beautiful beaches are the clearest water you will ever see in your life. It is the most beautiful water. When I went, me and my family went into a dive trip down there and we enjoyed it so very much. Alrighty, I hope you've thoroughly enjoyed your journey to the Bahamas, and hopefully you've learned a little bit about their culture, wildlife, and geological features. It really is no wonder that the Bahamas are one of the top vacation islands in the world. Thank you all for your time, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.